Hello, welcome to today's session. And what will we be talking about today? We will be talking about data types, the category of data types, and examples of each category of data type. So let's head into understanding what data types are. Data type simply refers to the attributes associated with a collection of data that informs the computer on how to interpret its value. In Google Sheets, it refers to the format of values in a particular cell. So when we take a look at this data sheet here, all these values here, the kind of data that it is what we term as a data type. So what are examples of data types? We have text or string, we have date and time, we have currency, we have boolean, that's the true or false values, we have number, percentage, and location. Let's head in and see the categories of data types that we have and how we can group them. We have the qualitative data type, and this involves non-numeric values that represent qualities or characteristics. Examples of qualitative data types can be colors, names, categories of stuff, and these correspond to data types like string or a text, and then a boolean, since they are all both words. So here we can say under performance we have satisfactory, poor, all these are texts, and here under active we have true, false. This only represents true or false, and it can be a form of text but is categorized under boolean values. So just as we have in the department, operations, college, these are all texts. Let's move on. The next one we have is quantitative data types, and this involves numerical values that represent measurable quantities like number. With number we have any form of whole number, we have percentage, we have currency, so currency can be in decimals or whatever, and then we have location. So a set of values that represent a location is a form of quantitative data type. That's fine. And what does this all even amount to, or what are the benefits? That's where we have data quality. So ensuring data accuracy, completeness, and consistency is fundamental for reliable analysis. Poor data quality can lead to erroneous conclusions and misinformed decisions. For example, instead of date of birth, we have a number or an age there. This will make it difficult to perform certain calculations or to know when an employee was born. And then under age, when we have all numbers, you can't mix it with, let's say, a text or a string. That will make it difficult in calculating. Maybe in the future I want to calculate the average age of your employees or something. It will become a problem. So this is where ensuring data quality plays a major role. It enables the computer to know how to deal with each set of data values that you have. So this is why it is very important to ensure the quality of data by grouping them in the types that they belong to. Thank you, and see you in the next session.